Okay, here's a quick video on how to factory reset your Samsung smart device, your Samsung phone. This happens to be a S21, Samsung S21. So I'm going to factory reset it before I take it back to the store and trade it in. The first thing we want to do is we want to go to our settings menu. And by the way, this is a soft factory reset. I'm going to go through a soft factory reset and then I'm going to do a hard factory reset. So let's go to our settings menu. Okay, now that we're in settings, we want to go down to general management. So here's general management. Go ahead and click on that. Then we want to go down to reset. Click on reset. And right here, you're going to see an option that says factory data reset. Click on that. As you can see right there, it says all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, systems and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, private key stored in Samsung, blockchain, key store. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select reset if I wanted to do a soft reset. This is the faster way to reset your phone, but me personally, I like to do a hard reset from the BIOS. So I'm going to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, you have to power your phone down first. So I'm going to go ahead and power it down. Power off. It's asking for my PIN. So I'm going to give it my PIN. And as you can see, the phone is powering down. The next thing we will need to do is turn the phone back on. So what we want to do is we want to press and hold the volume up button and the power button together at the same time until you see the Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, you can let the power up. You can let the volume up and the power button go. They're on the side here. So my power up. This is my power. Click them on at the same time. Samsung logo, you can let the phone go. It should bring you to this menu right here. This is called the Android recovery menu. Android recovery menu. We want to use our volume up and down button to maneuver in this menu. As you can see, I'm pushing down on the volume button. And we want to go down to where it says wipe data factory reset. Wipe data factory reset. Wipe all your data. This cannot be undone. It gives you the option to cancel or factory data reset. So I'm going to select factory data reset and hit the power button. And as you can see, it's in the factory reset mode where it's wiping all the data. Wiping data. Let this go through the process and you're all set. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please, guys, I should be well over 10,000 subscribers. Help me get to 10,000 by hitting that subscription button. And until the next time, I'll talk to you soon.